Rahul. In fact, I'll be very honest. I'll say that even I have been one of the critics of him. But the way I see it, I think how they can maximize their resources, that they can probably have someone like a KL Rahul bat at 4 and 5, send in and send a sort of pinch hitter to open or at one down, so that the power play can be maximized. And if there's a single
But
collapse,
Mulkhiran, we've seen that, right? T20 is again such a fickle game. We saw what happened with Sunil Narayan. The same guys who wanted Sunil Narayan to open have then been telling that that's a bad plan, and Sunil Narayan has to start going down the order. So the thing is, it's very difficult to sustain that level of hitting in a season of 14 matches. That's why I look at IPL very differently. If you have 14 matches, if a guy like Sunil Narayan can win you one or even two matches with the bat, it's a huge bonus. So you don't expect somebody to do that all the time. So by shifting a KL Rahul to a number 4, the chances of your opener succeeding will be 1 in say 7 games. So most of the time KL Rahul might end up batting in the power play. So then it just doesn't add up. So you need to also understand which teams can use it, what kind of conditions you can use it. And people are very smart. The moment you know that a pinch hitter is coming in, you know if that batsman has a weakness, you start exploiting that. So it's very easy from the outside to say, hey, just go and hit all the balls for sixes. Sometimes the ball won't come onto the bat. So a guy like Sunil Narayan may not be very useful, which is why I think you need to have that balance, which it takes more education. It takes being part of that ecosystem to kind of understand that. Otherwise, as fans, we can just continue to rant, but I exactly personally know why certain things happen.
But do you think sometimes, a certain approach that, there could be a player who's having two different approaches for his franchise and then for the country that he plays in. Say, let's just say someone like a KL Rahul is conservative at the top for Kings 11 Punjab, or Punjab Kings rather, but then when he plays for India, he has to make that switch. So do you think sometimes, when you're following a conservative strategy or say an aggressive strategy for too long, it's very difficult to sort of find a balance, and then one or the other aspect of your game will sort of start affecting some way or the other? Because I remember some stat in 2018, KL Rahul's balls per boundary versus spin was around 4 or 5. Then it came down to 18. So in the IPL, I'm not saying in internationals. So do you think this is a very big challenge, or do you think it's something that good players can adjust to?
That's the challenge of the game right now. You need to adapt. Whether it's easy or not, I'm not the right person to tell. It depends on the player's mindset, player's technique, etc. But what I see a bigger challenge is trying to be successful in T20 cricket as well as Test cricket. That not many people have been able to crack. That is the hard part. Whereas I think within T20 formats like T20I and IPL shouldn't be too much of a issue, and that I think most players would be able to do.